Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to check Android version on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then scroll down to about phone section. So after that you'll see here the legal information section or the my OS. Okay, so just you'll see here the Android version section, and in my case this is Android 12, and when you keep tapping you could open the Easter egg of Android 12. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.